Have you ever been in a D&D party and you had that one character that was just boring? Well, we're going to give you the 4 most overdone characters and what you can do to put a spin on them. First up is the Murder Hobo. Now, I like to classify this one as also the I don't care if my character dies, I have 100 more guy. I once played in a game where, and I'm not joking, this guy would have a new character every session because he would find a way to get his old one killed. He would go into a room, find a way to fight someone. It annoyed everyone else who was actually invested in the story. It eventually brought the whole mood of the game down, and the game fell apart after about 8 sessions. Try to get involved in the story, immersed in your character. Remember, your character doesn't want to die, probably. Now, if you're running a type of game where that's the thing you guys want to do, by all means, more power to you. Next up is the evil guy. I'm not saying it's not okay to play someone who is evil, but what I'm talking about are the characters who their whole thing is that they are evil. They kill things indiscriminately, don't play well with the team, don't care about the plot, they just want to be about themselves. It's fun to play an evil character, but there's got to be something they care about. Find something to root them in the world, and for the love of God, be a part of the goddamn party. It's a party-based game. Sorry. Next, we have the Pickpocket. Now, I love playing thieves. Even when I play a class besides the rogue, I love choosing the criminal or urchin class. I swear I'm not a klepto. But then there are those players who think that their character can't see a piece of jewelry without wanting to steal it like they are a klepto. And lastly, everyone's favorite, the Edgelord. This is the guy who's brooding in the corner, doesn't talk much, always has a ready for his answer. These characters usually have some horrific backstory about how they are orphans and don't trust anyone. If this sounds familiar to you, then it's okay to want to play that Sasuke character, but they are so overdone. Humans have multiple levels of emotions, guys. Be broody, but then surprise your party by opening up to them as you get closer, slowly revealing the person inside. It's all about being a real character, not just an anime character. What kinds of characters can you do more of instead? Think of archetypal characters and add a flair. The sage character seen in famous characters like Yoda, Obi-Wan, Gandalf. What if they were very young? Take a pickpocket that loves to give back to the poor, a thief with a heart. What about the evil person who's actually only doing it because they're being forced into it by the Thieves Guild or some crazy wizard? Find ways to take what you like and spin it. Be creative. Archetypes are relatable on a deep level because they come from base emotions. You can read all about it in The Hero with 1,000 Faces, or just take my word for it. But there's a reason we respond to certain characters. Hopefully this helped you find a way to give your boring, overplayed characters a little spice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.